Back then I used to roll with the geekers, inside sipping lean out the beaker. All red fila my sneakers, we used to rob, they would call us the sneakers. In class ignoring my teachers, boy, I was so different. I gotta thank God they changed up my living. I gotta thank God I've been redeemed, cause back then we was really popping them beans. Out in the streets, chillin' with the fiends. Stealing, that was the scheme. But thank God I've been redeemed, oh I've been redeemed. And that don't mean that I'm perfect, but I can really tell you what I've been learning. God sent Jesus, he died and was risen. When I accepted him, I accepted forgiveness. At first it was really hard to knock it. Used to love stealing, I was sneaking in my pocket. I don't know how they didn't see it in my jeans.